Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Devotion. Chapter 12, Shloka 9. If you are unable to fix your mind steadily upon me, then by the yoga of constant practice, seek to reach me, O Dhananjay.
Chapter 12, Shloka 9. अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो माम् इच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय.
Chapter 12, Shloka 9. A typical man of the world, Arjuna, looks up to the Lord, declaring his helplessness to accomplish the two seemingly but practically impossible conditions of meditation. So as an alternate, the Lord says, the technique of self-unfoldment requires the seeker to fix his mind totally at the feet of the Lord and bring the intellect to play upon and penetrate the significance of the form divine. To achieve this, one needs an extremely subtle intellect and single-pointedness of the mind. If one is unable to fix the thoughts steadily on the Lord, then as an alternate method, Lord advises Arjuna to pursue the yoga of constant practice, Abhyas Yoga. Earlier, this was described as wherever the mind wanders, restless, from there let him subdue it and bring it under the sway of the self alone. The advice here is to gather the mind wherever it wanders away from the main point of concentration and focus it again and again on the divine form. To achieve this, the meditator must develop a capacity to stand by himself and in himself apart from his wandering mind. This has to be by the higher faculty in man called the intellect, which is the direct controller and ruler of the mind. With the discriminating capacity alone can we rule over the lesser faculties of the mind in ourselves. This alternative method suggested by the Lord is to help those who are unable to accomplish the most direct path indicated in the previous shloka. By practicing hard in Abhyas Yoga for a length of time, our mind gets so well disciplined that we will be able to follow the immediate method of self-unfoldment. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.